on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We are here today at the Alta Auto Group. Check it out right there in the back. See that NSX right there? They got all kind of goodies out here. So here we go. We got the NSX in black over here at Alta Auto Group. Almost the same spec as the blue one. Carbon fiber. Looking good. Look at that. Look at that stock. They got lots of goodies. You got that GTR. Lots of Mercedes. But yeah, looking pretty nice in here. We got the Porsche Carrera S. Got another GTR over there. Porsche GTS 3. I mean, they got the goods here. They got the goods. If you see here now, we got the this beautiful Ferrari in the building, baby. Look at that. Beautiful. Mercy, look at that. It's looking good. Wow, look at that, boys. Look at that. So yeah, we're here today at the Alta Auto Group open house. We got the NSX on display. So we'll go ahead and kind of check out who we got on deck today in the VIP. So here we are before the show is getting started. Got the NSX parked out here. We also got the Gen 1 in the building. The Gen 1. A little bit of history over here. This is where it all started.
Really? I believe everything I read.
So here we go. Yo, what is this beast? What is this?
Takes possession of, right. That's like me. I've got an order in on the C8 right now. Right.
Look at this thing. Look at this.
Whether I
right.
physically take it.
So here we have it, some of the VIP cars at the open house today. Looks like purple's the way to go. It's our right-hand drive right there. We got the wide body IS series line. Crazy wide body, baby. And of course we got the good old 8080 Lamborghini Huracan on site.
Keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music.
easier getting in than getting out.
Shit, he's a limber dude. He got it right up in there. You got to get that foot in there now. But.
These are right in the dash.
Yeah, you are.
Oh
Damn.
my goodness.
Yeah, you. And that seat ain't adjustable
do a road
either.
trip with this thing.
Yeah. You can't stretch your feet out no more to get it under?
Like I'm only
Damn.
5'11", so I'm maxed out right here.
Wow.
Like I'm tight. I'm tight. Wow. Head is right here.
By the sedan G35.
Yeah, it's definitely a tight fit for sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can see what you're saying with the helmet.
Yeah. That bar is like right there. Ain't it?
Alright. So reverse.
After a day of racing, you got a neck cramp the next day, huh?
Oh, man.
Outside the doors, like there's nothing there. So it's just my roll cage actually goes out into the door. So it's easier to get into.
It's easier getting in than out, huh?
Holy cow. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's
If you cramp up while you're getting out, you're done. You're finished.
I'm so afraid one day my quad, my hamstring's gonna cramp up and I ain't gonna be able to stretch my leg out in there.
Yeah.
Something else.
That's Apple, it's car, everything. I do the whole thing from my bones.
So we had a great time at the show. Got an opportunity to check out this Factory 5 custom built beast of a vehicle, 710 horsepower. The owner put in 7 years in building this beast. Here are some of the specs. The chassis is a tube steel chassis with fiberglass shell. The motor is a mid-engine 7.4 liter iron block V8, 710 horsepower, coupled with a nitro system with 100 to 250 horsepower. It's got a Porsche GT3 6-speed manual transmission, and the paint is out of control. Thanks for joining. We'll catch you guys on the next one.